again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So just another quick one today. I've had a couple of bits turn up from Born Pretty, and I really want to get them swatched. This is their rubber base coats that I've never tried. I am going to just swatch them, but these are fantastic to use with Gel X method, or just to add a little bit of strength to your natural nails. There's quite a few things you can do with these rubber based gels. I wasn't that fussed about them when they first come out, but now I've started seeing what people are using them for and stuff. I really like the look of them. So I've got 3 of them, and I've got 2 of these. These are brand new that I've seen dotted about. These are liquid chrome, like chrome powder, chameleon chrome powder in a liquid. So, shall we do these rubber bases first? Look at this packaging. So this is the Born Pretty Pro series. The packaging is fantastic. Let's get them all open first, shall we? Yeah, so let's start with these rubber bases. So I have got RGB 03, 04 and 05. Look at this packaging, guys. Look, it just slides out like that. Wow. And these bottles from the Born Pretty Pro series, they're like a rubber silicone kind of feel. They're just so nice to hold, and they just feel good quality. So these are big bottles as well, 15ml, and we've got little instructions in there. Isn't this cute? These are so nice. Love that. Right, so let's just get them swatched. So yeah, this is number 3. What I love about these as well, they give you that like acrylic kind of look. You know, if you're using them on Gel X nails, you can use them to apply the full cover, and then you can paint over them. And yeah, because it's got that slight transparency to it, it gives it that acrylic. I don't know if to do it on the outside or the inside, because it is quite a thick. This is why they're good for Gel X, applying Gel X nails, because they're quite thick. They're not as thick as Builder in a bottle, but they're not so far off. Yeah, and because they are transparent, you can get away with using thicker layers, and the light will still penetrate it. I think I'm going to swatch them just on the outside. I'm just going to do two coats. I'm going to treat it a bit like a gel polish. We'll do it on the outside of the nail there, so you can see what it looks like with just a thin coat, and you can see what it looks like once I build that colour up a bit as well. Yeah, I haven't got anything like this as well. A couple of designs I've wanted to do recently, I've needed really sheer kind of nude colours, which I haven't got. So these can be used for a whole array of things. So that's it with just one thin coat. You could just add a little bit of colour to your natural nail. So let's cue that. Right, so let's do a second coat. Guys, my lamp just died on me. I've had that lamp for nearly 2 years. It started blinking now and again a few weeks ago, so I got one of my new lamps out, and I've had this new lamp under my desk for weeks and weeks because I didn't want to get rid of this lamp. I love it, and it's literally just died on me. The clock was still ticking down, but there was no lights on, so I've just had to get my new lamp out. So that's it after 2 coats. Still milky, but I really like the colour of that. I like the colour of that a lot. So I'm going to cure that as well. So this next one is 04. I'll just do the first coats with you guys. I'll do the second coats off camera, otherwise the video is going to get too long. Yeah, this looks like a nice nude. Again, I'm just going to do a couple of thinnish coats. Yeah, that's a nice nude, isn't it? I'm really liking these. So let's quickly do this last one, and then I'll give them a second coat, and then we'll have a look at them. So this last one is 05. I'm not sure how many's in this collection, guys. I think it might be 8, you know. Could even be more, I'm not sure. I'll stick a picture up on the screen, actually, of all the colours you can get. Yeah, that's really nice. Nice baby pink. So I'll give these a quick second coat, and then we'll have a quick look at them, and we'll do these chromy things. I'm dying to have a look at these. Right guys, so that's them swatched. So from the left we've got 3, 4 and 5. That's them, all had 2 coats. I really like them. I have got something in mind I'm going to do with them. Let's do it that way. 3, 4 and 5. Yeah, I'm going to show you later this week a couple of different things you can do with them. I have got something in mind I'm going to do on my nails. But yeah, that's them. I really like them. I really like that sheerness. Yeah, I really like them. So, shall we do these liquid chromes? I'm so curious about these. Look at this. Look at that. So these are like the Aurora Chameleon, not Aurora, more like Chameleon chrome powders, but liquid version. So what numbers have I got? 1 and 4. Yeah, it says it there, liquid Aurora powder. Look at this, guys. Wow. So I've got out these swatch sticks because we're going to do it. Best results are over a black, I think. Best results, but we're going to do it over a black. They're not very clever over a white. No, I haven't got any Aurora powders that look good over a white anyway, but I'm going to do it over a black and a white, and for the third one I'm going to do it over a pink. So I'm just going to speed through these swatch sticks and do white, black and pink. Right guys, so just like any chrome powder, these need to go over a no wipe top coat, but Born Pretty does advise not to put them over a super top coat. It's too good. It is. So if you've got any cheap no wipe top coats, it has to be a no wipe top coat. That's the best way to go. So let's start with number 1, and I'm just going to use an old no wipe top coat, and we will try it over, I think, the pink first. Stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, so that's cured in the lamp now. Make sure you give it a really good shake as well, because it settles fast. Like, look at that, it's all settled around the bottom already. So give it a really good shake, and then paint it on. Paint it on. So just a nice, I've never done it before, so. And then we're going to use an eyeshadow applicator. Let it dry just for a second, so I've been told. Let it dry just for a second. Maybe blow on it, I don't know. Right, and then rub it in. Oh my gosh, it actually does. It's all rubbed in. And it's left that Aurora behind. Oh my gosh, that's crazy stuff. It's going to be difficult to see it on camera. But it's left like an Aurora. You see it better over the black. Let's just get these top coated, and we'll do it over the black, This is where you're going to really see it, I think. Oh, you can see it already just by painting it on, can't you? The difference. Wow. Right, I'm just going to let it dry just for a second. Not too long. And then, let's just rub it in. Oh my gosh, this is the weirdest product I've ever come across in my life. Look at that. You could even use your finger. Look at this, guys. How crazy is that? Next to the black. You might see it better when it's top coated. This is crazy. Right, let's just do it over the white anyway, but I doubt you're even going to see it over a white. I don't think it's going to look good over a white anyway. Yeah, I don't think it's going to be much cop over a white. Let it dry for a second. Right, let's rub this in. Oh, that squeak. I'm going to have to do it with my finger. It was squeaking, going right through me. Yeah, it's barely there over a white. You can see it, but not a lot. Right, let's give these a top coat so you can see them a bit better. Right, guys, I'm going to speed through this second one and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Right, there we go, guys. That's both of the... Oh, sugar, I dropped one. So that's number one. The chameleon on this one is... It's so hard to see, but it's like a green. And it shifts to a purple. But the camera's just not going to pick it up. Over the white is barely there. Over the pink it's nice as well. It's quite subtle. And this is number 4. So this shifts from like a purple to a greeny... They're really smart. I think they're going to be good for people that struggle with chrome powders. Look at it over the pink. It's really difficult to see on camera. It is. This one's got like an ultraviolet kind of... Yeah. Yeah, people that struggle to apply chrome powders, easy peasy. You can see that one's got a green tone, that one's got a pinky purple tone. But yeah, they were just stupidly easy to apply. Just paint it on and rub it in. They're different, aren't they? I think there's 6 of these. I think they've got 6 different colour combos. And yeah, quickly, that was the rubber base gels. Yeah, I've got something in mind to do with these this week. I'm going to do a Gel X set, but I'm going to build it up over the Gel X as well, I think. I'm really excited to try these. Anyway, guys, sorry the video has got a bit long, but you know, it is what it is. Anyway, guys, yeah, that is it for today. I'll leave links below. Don't forget, I've got a 20% off code for Born Pretty. It'll all be below. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you back in my next one tomorrow. Take care, bye.